What if the most powerful force in the world wasn't a nation, an army, or a government, but Black unity? What if across continents and oceans, from Africa to the Americas, from the Caribbean to Europe, every Black community saw itself not as separate, but as one people with one future? How would the world change if Black unity became unstoppable? Black people across the world share a common story, centuries of displacement, oppression, and survival. From the plantations of the American South to the gold and diamond mines of Africa to the islands of the Caribbean, the story has always been one of exploitation, but also resilience. What if instead of division, we recognize the common thread, a thread of brilliance, innovation, and endurance? Imagine the force of over 1.4 billion Africans and 200 million people of African descent worldwide, connected by solidarity. Alone, communities are vulnerable, but united, the global Black diaspora already represents trillions of dollars in spending power. What if those resources weren't scattered but invested in each other? Black-owned banks, businesses, tech companies, schools, and media platforms across the diaspora? What if African nations and the diaspora built trade routes, tech hubs, and innovation corridors together? Black unity could mean not just survival, but economic dominance, reshaping global markets and industries. Imagine political unity, African nations voting as one bloc in the United Nations, the diaspora influencing elections in America, Europe, and beyond with a single voice. Together, they'd hold leverage no empire could ignore. And culturally, Black music, fashion, language, and creativity already influence the world. From hip-hop to Afrobeats, from literature to cinema, Black voices shape global culture. But what if that influence was organized, protected, and owned by us? Black unity could mean no more cultural theft, only cultural power. Unity isn't just political or economic. It's spiritual. It's the idea that no matter where we live, we belong to the same family. What if Black unity meant passing down not just trauma, but triumph, teaching the next generation to see themselves as builders, leaders, and creators of the future? From Soweto to Harlem, from Kingston to Lagos, from Chicago to Accra, imagine our children knowing they are part of the same unstoppable force. If Black unity became the world's strongest force, the global order itself would change. No longer a people defined by slavery or colonialism, but by leadership, innovation, and solidarity. The world would see not a divided diaspora, but a united power. Not a scattered people, but a global nation. And perhaps the dream of true freedom, justice, and equality would finally become reality. So, what if Black unity became the world's strongest force? The answer is simple. The world would never be the same. Because when we stand as one, nothing on earth can stop us. We are unshakable roots, and we don't flinch from the truth. Subscribe and join our community.